1/2 kilograms boneless chicken. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. 1/2 teaspoon chicken powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon mix herb. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons milk. 2 to 3 bread slices. Chop well. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Grease it. Refrigerate for 1 hour. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 tablespoon black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 egg. Add water as per require. Mix well. Coat in egg batter. Coat in bread crumbs. Medium hot oil. Fry on medium to low flame until light brown. Burger bun. Mayonnaise. Ketchup. Salad leaves. Prepared chicken patty. Sliced cheese.